variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Fletcher, Martin, Owsley, Perry, and Pike counties. In Tennessee, Claiborne County. In West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties. In Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's Radio Public Warning Alarm. We will now return to recorded programming. This has